I created these YouTube shorts using Vadoo AI in just 5 minutes, and honestly, it's kind of amazing. Check these out. It is an all-in-one platform for creating videos, images, virtual influencers, music, podcasts, and UGC content. And the best part? You don't need 5 different apps to do it. So let's jump in and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Head over to the Vadoo AI website using the discount link in the description. If you don't have an account yet, just hit the sign up button. Right after that, you'll land right on the main dashboard. The dashboard is simple and easy to navigate. This is basically your control center for everything you'll be creating with Vadoo AI. Alright, to test the tool now, let's move on and create your first AI video. Click on AI video, paste your prompt, and use the Enhance button on the right to improve it. Now choose an AI model. Options include Kling Pro, Runway ML, Luma, and VO2. Each one varies in quality, speed, and credit cost. I selected VO2 and set the duration to 6 seconds. To give you a quick idea of how credits work, a 30 to 60 second video costs 50 credits, 60 to 90 seconds is 75 credits, and something longer like a 10-minute video will cost around 500 credits. Under Advanced Options, I chose an aspect ratio of 9:16. You can also add AI effects like hug or catwalk, but those use hundreds of more credits. Click Generate and wait. It usually takes under 2 minutes. Now, here's the result. And just look at the quality. The color grading is amazing, and the tool actually did a really good job here. Plus, if you want to add sound, just click the audio option and it'll attach it automatically according to the video. Now that we've tried out AI video, let's check out what AI Story Builder has got. This tool basically lets you generate full AI videos just from text. You can start by choosing a video topic. There are presets like scary stories, motivational content, or historical themes, or you can write your own. So first, you'll need to choose your story type, or basically what kind of video you want the tool to create. I went with fun facts for this one. Next, select a voice. There are plenty of options sorted by accent, gender, and age. You can even filter by region, like British English or American English. For this one, I chose a voice named Drew. After that, set your video duration. You can pick anything from 30 seconds up to 10 minutes. Just keep in mind, longer videos use more credits. For example, a 60 to 90 second video takes about 50 credits, while a full 10-minute video costs 500. Then, choose your visual style. Click the arrow to see all available options. I went with the 3D model here. Lastly, pick the aspect ratio, and once everything's set, the video will be sent to your email after rendering. You also have the option to add custom instructions for the AI if you want to guide it a bit more, but that part's totally optional. Now on to script generation and video creation. Just click Generate Script, and the AI will build your full script based on your prompt. You can edit, regenerate, or delete any section before moving forward. Rendering time depends on the length, so this 1-minute video took about 4 minutes to proceed. Keeping that in mind, maybe a 10-minute one might take closer to 40. So yeah, the video turned out pretty well.
Did you know that the gaming industry is now bigger than the film and music industries combined? In 2021, it generated over $175 billion.
The transitions are smooth, and the built-in sound effects really help improve the overall quality and engagement. You can also customize the captions and add more effects, and I tweaked the caption size and position a bit to make it look better visually. Performance-wise, everything runs smoothly, and there's no lag. Let's generate a podcast now. This tool lets you generate a full podcast episode from a PDF, a website URL, or just plain text. I am trying the URL feature first. So first, paste the link into the input field. Then choose your hostname and voice, and do the same for the guest. After that, you can set how long you want the episode to be, anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. There's also a language setting, and you can pick between 2 tone options, including fun and friendly. Just a note, it costs 50 credits to generate a podcast from a URL. Once you've set everything up, the tool creates a full script. It's clearly labeled with the host and guest parts, and you can edit any section before generating the final audio. Click the Proceed button and give it a moment to generate the podcast. The final result sounds surprisingly natural.
Welcome back to the show, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of AI video creation.
That's right, Steve. We're exploring Vadoo AI, an all-in-one video platform.
Very cool. Tell us, how does it transform text into videos?
The voices fit well, the pacing feels like a real podcast, and you can even adjust playback speed if needed. Once the audio is ready, you get access to editing tools as usual and export your video. I also uploaded a PDF of a book to see how it would generate a podcast from it, and the process was pretty much the same as using a URL. The podcast was generated smoothly, and everything worked perfectly. Let's try out the AI captions feature. I downloaded a movie clip from Jumanji, so let's upload that first. And with just one click, the captions are generated. It took barely 30 seconds. You can easily customize the style too, change the font, adjust the size, and move the text around. It's super straightforward. This short clip took 50 credits, which might increase if you increase the video length. Now, the last feature I'm going to try is fake text videos. Most of the videos this tool generates are perfect for social media reels and shorts, and normally, editing these manually takes a lot of time. This feature really helps speed things up. So let's open it up. I'm starting with a funny AI script just to test it out. Next, choose the voices, review the script if you want, and then click Generate. And here's the result.
Did you hear about that guy who tried to cheat at poker but ended up getting caught because he was wearing a shirt that said, "I cheat"?
No way. That's like wearing a sign that says, "I'm guilty." What was he thinking?
I guess he thought it was a clever distraction.
Overall, it looks good. The text editing is great, but the background visual pauses after like 50 seconds. I think that's because the script I used was pretty long. So I tried again with a shorter message, just a quick greeting to show as an example. I picked the voices again and clicked Generate. Let's check it out now.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great.
Want to hang out? There's a new cafe open today.
Sure, absolutely. But can you pick me from college? We can go right after.
Perfect.
This time, it works much better. There is no lag and everything flows nicely. So yeah, the longer your script, the more likely it is to cause some visual glitches. For your ease, I'd recommend breaking up long scripts into smaller parts, or just keeping them short to begin with. And we're done with our complete walkthrough for Vadoo AI. Now let's wrap the video up by discussing the pricing. Vadoo AI has 3 simple plans. Starter is $12 a month and great if you're just getting into content creation. Pro is $39 and gives you more credits, better voices, and daily auto posts. And if you're managing clients, the advanced plan at $69 gives you the most features. You can try any of them for free. The tool is actually very affordable compared to other platforms, and the content quality it delivers is impressive. I'd say it's definitely worth it. One last thing, make sure to check out Vadoo's Discover feed. It's built right into the platform and lets you browse videos and projects created by other users. You can also publish your own creations there to share with the community or get a bit of inspiration. And if you want to make horror stories using AI, check out this video next.